Kyrteng ka National People's Party NPP na East Shillong kakong Ampareen lingdo bat kakong Jasmine lingdo nanong thamai kila Thep iki Kyrteng jonki haka laipoi tri ukulangkon na kabanta banya kunya ka election kabanlong haka arpunyaw tri urampang. Kakong Ampareen ba kakong Jasmine kibari shipara haka step jong ka laipoi tri ukulangkon kila pelong ya ka jingyat pat ba rengkat kinong kershan ki jonki na ka jaka ka bakisa hadu ka office jong deputy commissioner. Kishi para kila long ruki banengkong man Thep iki Kyrteng ki jonki na kabanta ka election kabanwan.
Now, when you have two big giants, it does get difficult, but sometimes when they are sleeping giants, then I get the advantage. So I've been working hard, and I know that it is the mandate of the people that will help me to get through. Because there's so much to do in Nongkhamai, and I'm sure that we will have to work from the beginning, and we are with them, with the people of Nongkhamai, and they should know that we are there with them every step of the way.
What we're doing now is we're going before the courts. I have full faith in the judiciary system of this country, and until such time I am innocent of any wrongdoing, that will not affect my election, because my people know that I am confident of no wrongdoing.